Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino and my robot. So this is last chapter and last component project. And after this, we'll be doing full-fledged three projects. So this is based on ultrasonic sensor. We'll be understanding how ultrasonic sensor works. So this is the schematic. You can see our ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 is connected with Arduino board. The blue pin is trigger pin and is connected, sorry, blue wire is trigger wire and is connected to 12 number pin. And then echo wire is connected to 11 number pin. And VCC, that is input voltage, is connected in red wire to 5 volt. And then ground is connected with a black wire. Now we'll go directly to Tinkercad and let's understand what is the basic code for that. So here is a schematic. And now let's go to the coding part. So here I have named the 12 number. I have made a variable that is called as trig pin. So this is for storing the pin number at which we'll be having our trigger point. So this is 12 number pin and it is stored in a variable named as trig pin. Similarly, 11 number pin is saved as echo pin. Then we have three more variables named as duration, centimeter, and inches. So here we have used the data type as long. Long is a different type of data type in which we have integer values, but the number of, suppose the limit for integer is very less. We cannot store very long numbers such as phone numbers. Okay, these are the positive whole numbers, but it is a very big number. So for storing such big numbers, we'll be using long keyword. So long is a keyword and it is a data type that is used for storing integer but very high number integers. So we have three variables. One is for duration, second is for in centimeter, and third is in inches. In the setup part, you see I have used serial begin to exactly understand what is the output. And then we have pin mode. In this we have two. One is trigger pin, another is echo pin. For trigger pin, will be sending output as a signal that is going outside, and from echo pin will be receiving the signal back. Okay, so that is why echo pin is input mode. Now we are going to loop section. Here you see digital write trig pin, that is pin number 13. Trigger pin is our number 12, sorry, not 13, 12. So it is low in the starting. Then after a delay of 5 microseconds, delay microseconds, this is a function. And here you can enter for how many microseconds you want to create the delay. After that, we are turning on our 12 number pin, that trigger pin, to start the sound signal. Then after 10 seconds, microseconds of delay, we are again turning off our trigger pin. During this duration, we have set 10 because 5 for going and 5 for coming back. And during this duration, the pin mode echo pin input. So you see here, this is echo pin. We are turning it as input and we are turning it input as high. So the server is triggered by high pulse of 10 or more microseconds. And as soon as the server gets back, pulse in, it is going to check whether what kind of pulse it is getting back. Okay. And whatever the value that is going to be stored, it's actually the duration, time duration. Okay, it is getting stored in duration. So centimeter is duration upon 2, and this whole thing is divided by 29.1. Now inches is equals to duration upon 2, then it is whole divided by 74. Now we are going to print it inches and in centimeter form, and the complete circuit is getting delayed by 250. Now let's run this code, start simulation. So as soon as we start the simulation, you can see here, let me zoom out. Okay, you click here and you can see that it is starting to detect the location of our object. Let me zoom it for you. So as soon as I take it from anywhere, it is going to give me the distance. Okay, 119.4 centimeter. Then if you take this green zone is the maximum and minimum. If we go beyond that, it is turning red, means our sensor is not capable enough measuring beyond this and this range. So if it is too near, it is not going to measure. If it is too far, it is not going to measure. So this is one basic project, and we have multiple projects where we can use ultrasonic sensors. I'll show you. We'll be doing 3 more projects in the next session, and I'll cover in that in the next video. Thank you.